Hello, my name's Teacher Jane. Welcome back to part 2 of this video series. A gentle look at an NCHE Functional Skills Maths paper with added literacy and numeracy. Right, a judge. Judge is somebody who makes decisions. You can find judges everywhere, in a court, maybe in a gardening show. They look at all the evidence or the facts and come to a conclusion. The judge at a dog show is paid £8 an hour. She works 2 hours. How much will she get paid? Many different methods of working this out. Pause the video and have a go. First one I'm going to show you is direct proportion. Done my little grid. Now I'm going to fill in the information. So this is where hour is. And I know for 1 hour she gets paid £8. Fabulous. But then it asks, she said 2 hours. So I'm going to put number 2 down there. What have I done to number 1 to make it into a 2? That's right, I've multiplied it by 2. So what I do to my left side, I've got to do to my right side. 8 times 2, 16. Fabulous. That's my answer. And just to make it clear, I'm going to write £16 pay. Now the next method I'm going to use is a little bit simpler. I know that she's going to do 2, and then I'm going to use one of those fabulous buttons, 2 times. This is why sometimes people call it the lots of button. 2 lots of £8. I should get the same answer, £16, and I haven't forgotten my pound sign. I can hear some of you saying there's another way. Yes, there is. She's doing 2 hours. She gets paid £8 for 1 hour. And then I'm going to add that to the other hour's pay. And that gets me 16 again. No, I'm not finished. I'm going to put that pound sign in. Lovely. Nice clear method. As I said, if you have a method that works, if you get to the same answer as me, and if your answer is proven, you stick with it. You can always email me to check. Question 3. A program. What's a program? Program is a guide or an itinerary to what is happening. If I go to a festival like Glastonbury, I always get a program. That tells me what's happening, when it's happening, and where it's happening. That way I can plan and make sure that I see everything that I want to see. A program of events costs £2. £2 for how many? What word or letter in that sentence tells me how many programs? A. A means 1. A program. 1 program costs £2. Lady bought 3 programs. How much did she pay? Pause the video, have a go. Again, I'm going to talk you through several methods. I'm going to use my direct proportion. That seems to be my favourite today. Very good with ratio, that one. So 1 program is £2. How many does she want? 3. Okay. What have I done to my 1 to make it into a 3? I've multiplied it. What I do to my left side, got to do to my right side. So 2 times 3 equals £6. And that is how much she pays. Yes, you could do it. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals £6. I like finishing off like that. Or, yes, 3, what button there? Times, or lots of, £2 equals. As long as you got £6, I'm happy. Next question. On a stool. What is a stool? A stool is like a shop. It's a small shop that can be taken down and put up. That is the name of the shops in the market. You know, when they put all their vegetables out. On a stall, they are selling dog shampoo. Now, I've told you, it does not matter if you like dogs or if you don't like dogs. Forget about dogs. Just focus on the maths. So dog shampoo, price £1.90. Nice. What's £1.90 almost? Good, £2. A customer buys 2 bottles of shampoo. How much do 2 bottles cost? Okay. That seems like a nice simple video. It's like a nice simple question. Let's have a go. So she buys 2 times £1.90 equals... There's something wrong with it. You are very right. Money cannot be pounds and pennies. Yeah? We are working in pounds. So where this P came from, I don't know. I'm going to remove it straight away. It would be a miracle if this 2 times £1.90 came to pence, because I'm working in pence. Dollars don't change to pounds. Kilos don't instantly change to grams. We have to make them change for our maths. So that would be my answer. I can see some of you saying there's another method. £1.90 over £1.90. Look how nice and neat my numbers are. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 9. Bet you wish you knew the tables. 18. 8. Carry 1. I'm going to bring my decimal point down there. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 plus that is 3. I'm going to finish it off with that. And I can hear some of you say there's another method, which is the way we could arrange that one. So your 190 here, and then your 2 there. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry my 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus that 3. Drop your decimal point down. Add your pound sign. Lovely maths. Oh, look at him getting a wash. They say dogs are people's best friend. I would love a little dog. So let's read the question. Another store is selling dog treats. What's a treat? Something nice you get, like a little reward for something. Sometimes when I finish work, I might go to the shops and get myself a little treat. Obviously a healthy one, something like an apple. Dog treats, normal price. What's another word for normal? Regular, standard. One that begins with a U? Usual. Usual price is £1.50 a pack. Right, today they've got a special offer. Special offer. That's a bit like a sale. Yeah? Rapacious. Sale. Bargain. What's this one? Begins with a D. These words make my ears prick up, because usually when I hear them, I'm going to save some money. Can any of you work this one out? Discount. Sometimes I say that when I'm shopping. I say, come on, give me a little discount. And usually people do. So if you buy 2 packs, it costs £2.50. Okay. Someone buys 2 packs of treats. How much cheaper is it to buy 2 packs on special offer? How much cheaper? Okay. Than to buy 2 packs at the normal price. So they want to know how much money I am saving. Right, so let's show them and let's make it based on our maths. I like using little abbreviations, just so if I ever have to go back, I know exactly what everything is. So I'm going to write NP. What do you think NP stands for? Normal price. And my normal price, if I'm getting 2, so I've got 2 times £1.50 equals £3. That is the normal, the usual, the regular price. But this time I can buy two, my special offer, and it costs £2.50. So I'm going to put SO. How much was the special offer? £2.50. £2.50. So what I want to do is I want to know the difference between these two numbers. It's going to be a subtraction, a minus, a takeaway. 0, take away 0 is 0. 0, I've got 0 in my hand and I want to take away 5. I can't do it because there's nothing there. So what I have to do is borrow from the next one. So I'm going to cross that down, make that a 2, and put my little 1 up there. So now this number is 10. 10, take away 5, gives me 5. Now I have 2, take away 2, and that gives me 0. I'll drop my little point down there, and then I'm going to finish it off. 50p savings. It's so funny because I want to say it as 50p rather than, I'm not sure how I'd say that in pounds. That's a good bit of homework. Right, so I think I have how much cheaper is it to buy 2 packs on special offer than 2 packs? 50p saving. Next question. Ooh, tickets. Lovely. Person buys 2 adult tickets. What's another word they could use for adult ticket? Full price, grown up, undiscounted ticket. Person buys 2 adult tickets at £10 each. What does each mean? 1. And 1 child's ticket. How much is this in total? Total means everything. Yeah? It's usually like a final. Yeah? So the total price is what my bill is going to be. So I'm going to write it out nice and neat so I get maximum points. 2 adult tickets at £10 each. So I'm going to do 2. I'm going to put a little A here so I know this is my adults. 2. What button am I going to use? Times, or 2 lots of 10 equals £20. Lovely. And then I've got 1 child's ticket. I'm going to call that a C. Again, I'm going to write it out nice and full. 1 times 5 equals 5. Note the way I'm writing them nice and neat underneath each other. This is my units column. Put a little unit there. And a T for my tens. So now I'm going to total it off. 5 plus 0 is 5. Oh, got nothing there. 2 plus 0, 25. I'm going to add a pound sign. £25 in total. Great. Next question. I think I'll save this question for the next video, part 3. See you there.